entertainment, addictions, or external validation. But no amount of avoidance changes reality. It only delays the inevitable reckoning. Choosing to remain vague and unclear about our actions, intentions, and problems does not protect us. It weakens us. If you refuse to confront your flaws, you allow self-doubt to grow. Instead of facing specific, manageable issues, you become overwhelmed by a cloud of uncertainty about yourself. Clarity brings strength, while avoidance leads to stagnation. A doctor cannot treat an illness unless they first diagnose it. Similarly, we cannot solve our problems unless we first acknowledge them in their reality. Pretending that something isn't wrong does not keep us safe. It only ensures that the problem worsens over time. Avoidance is also an act of surrender to fear. When we refuse to investigate problems,